Can you hear them calling? Oh, they're calling out tonight. Now the skies are burning. Oh, they burn so bright. We shiver as we step into the cold, cold night. Then we're running, we are running now. I hear them calling me, I hear them whispering. They're singing now, we're coming home. I hear them calling me, I hear them howling. Singing now, we're coming
Gestgjafar ykkar þessar 2 vikur. Ég heiti Sverrir Einarsson.
Hæ Sverrir!
Hæ! Og mér finnst þetta að vera svona hálfgert déjà vu, ljóshærður söngvari sem aðalnúmer.
We shiver as we step into the cold, cold